wants to know kung ano daw po yung conjunctions o yung subordinating conjunctions para magamit niyo daw po sa sentence. So, Chris, pag sinabi natin conjunctions, yan ay ginagamit to connect two or more words, phrases, clauses, or sentences. Itong ating mga phrases ay pwedeng subject lang pero walang verb. O kaya naman pwedeng verb lang pero walang subject. Ito namang clauses, lagi ang merong subject at verb. Pero pwede silang dependent clause o independent clause. Ang sentences naman, yan yung merong complete thought. Pinakang trabaho talaga nitong mga conjunctions ay magsilbing transition words and tell the quality of a word, phrase, clause, or sentence. Sila ay ginagamit para mag-connect pwede ng words, ng phrase, ng clause, o kaya naman ay sentence. So, itong subordinating conjunctions natin na to ay ginagamit to connect two clauses and make one dependent on the other. So, limited ang ating subordinating conjunctions sa ating clauses. Gagamitin natin yan sa clauses. Yung clauses na yan, pwede yung dependent. Let's say, for example, meron tayong secretary na nakadepende kay boss. Ito ating boss. Ito ang boss natin, makakatayo yan ng kanya lang. Yan ang tinatawag nating independent clause. Itong secretary ay umaasa dito sa boss. Kaya itong secretary ang ating dependent clause. Ngayon, para maikabit itong secretary o itong dependent clause dito sa independent clause, gagamitan natin ngayon ng tinatawag nating subordinating conjunctions na pwedeng mag-express ng cause and effect, relationship, or a shift in time and place between the two clauses. So, halimbawa ng cause and effect, pinakang gamitin ay itong because. Kung maririnig natin ang salitang because, ito ay tinatawag na subordinating conjunction, ginagamit para magpakita ng effect o cause. Dito, halimbawa, meron tayong sentence na Robin wasn't allowed in the Batmobile any longer. Robin wasn't allowed in the Batmobile o mobile any longer. Ito ang tinatawag nating boss. May sense na yan ng kanya lang. Pero ito, tingnan natin. Because he wouldn't wear a seatbelt. Ito ating subject, ito ating verb, ito ating direct object. Merong nauna o, ito ang tinatawag nating subordinating conjunction na nagsisignal ng dahilan, ng reason, ng cause. Yan yung cause. Ano ang effect? Ito. Ito ang ating effect. Yan ang ating independent clause. Independent clause. Itong may because ang ating dependent clause. Kailangan niyang ikabit dito sa ating independent clause para magkaroon siya ng sense. Ang ating mga subordinating conjunctions na nag-express ng cause and effect ay tinatawag nating purpose clause. Purpose clause. Sumasagot sa tanong na bakit? Bakit? Because he wouldn't wear a seatbelt. Robin wasn't allowed in the Batmobile any longer. Ganyan yung magiging itsura niyan. O kaya naman ay Robin wasn't allowed in the Batmobile any longer because he wouldn't wear a seatbelt. So, magkadugtong na sila. Ginamitan natin ng word na subordinating conjunction because. Nagpapakita ng cause at effect. Meron pang mga halimbawa niyan. Ganito. Since ang ating subordinating conjunctions ay marami, like, pwede tayong gumamit ng or, as, since, therefore, hence, as a result, consequently, though, due to, provided that, because of, unless, as a result of, so that. Yan yung ating mga subordinating conjunctions na tinatawag. Kung makikita natin yan sa isang sentence, yan ay mga subordinating conjunctions na laging nagko-connect ng clauses na kailangan yung dependent clause ay magkaroon ng independent clause para magkaroon ng sense yung ating dependent clause. Magiging buong sentence. Sa sentence na, since Robin refused to wear his seatbelt, Batman has banned him from the Batmobile. So, ang ating ginamit na subordinating conjunctions na nag-connect sa ating independent clause, itong Batman has banned him from the Batmobile. Ito ang ating independent clause. Laging ang dependent clause ay may mga subordinating conjunctions. So, dito nagsimula ang ating dependent clause. Yan ay nagpapakita ng cause and effect. Ano yung cause? Since Robin refused to wear his seatbelt, yan yung cause. Anong effect? Batman has banned him from the Batmobile. Pwedeng ganito, Batman required strict compliance with seatbelt rules. Hence, Robin was not allowed to ride in the Batmobile. Ito yung ating result. Anong cause? Ito yung ating result. Ito ang ating cause. Ang mga subordinating conjunctions ay ginagamit para mag-indicate ng cause and effect. Pwede rin niyang gamitin para mag-indicate ng time o kaya naman ay place. Ang time pwedeng gamitan natin ng once, ng while, ng when. Ang place ay pwedeng gamitan natin ng whenever, where, wherever. Ay, itong whenever pala sa time din. Before, itong ating sa time, at saka sa after. So, paano yan gamitin? Liba, ganito. Before Robin gets his job in the Batcave back, he must promise to stop playing with the Batmobile. So, before Robin gets his job in the Batcave back, bago siya makabalik dun sa kanyang ginagawa, kung ano man yun, Batcave, he must promise to stop playing with the Batmobile. So, nagkaroon ng condition. Ito ang ating tinatawag na subordinating conjunction na nag-connect nitong ating dependent clause dito sa ating independent clause. Nagpakita ng condition. Ito pa, once Batman learned that Robin had not been wearing his seatbelt, he took away his keys to the Batmobile. So, ito ang ating subordinating conjunction, nag-connect nitong ating dependent clause sa ating independent clause. Pwedeng ganito ang itsura ng sentence natin. Pwedeng mauna yung independent clause kaysa sa dependent clause. Ito ang ating independent clause. Robin looked regretfully at the Batmobile. Ito ang ating dependent clause na merong subordinating conjunction. Sa gitna siya nakita. Whenever he passed it in the Batcave. Pwede ring una like this. After Batman was done working for the night, Robin took a secret ride in the Batmobile. Nag-i-indicate ng time. Itong ating subordinating conjunction, nagkabit nitong ating dependent clause dito sa ating independent clause. Pwede silang mauna, pwede ring gitna. Tingnan natin yung iba pang mga subordinating conjunctions na pwede nating magamit to connect two or more words na nagdedepende yung ating dependent clause dun sa ating independent clause. So, pwedeng after, although, as if, once, only if, provided that, since, so, supposing, that, then, though, till, unless, until, when, whenever, where, whereas, wherever, whenever, whether or not, while. Pwede rin as long as much as soon as though, because, before, by the time, even if, even though, if, in order that, in case, in the event that, lest, now that. Yan, kung alam natin, ay di na tayo malilito kung anong ibig nilang sabihin. Sila ay mga subordinating conjunctions na ginagamit to connect clauses. Ang ating subordinating conjunctions, kung mapapansin natin, may mali dito. Dahil, una, ito ang ating subordinating conjunction, diba? Hindi na pag ganito ang ating sentence, whenever Batman was away, tas may kama, mali yan. Hindi dapat nilalagyan ng kama kapag nauna, whenever Batman was away, Robin drove the Batmobile. Tingnan naman natin, whenever Batman was away, Robin Robin drove the Batmobile. Ito kasi ay may kama. Ito. Wala dapat kama dyan. Dito dapat ang kama. So, mali itong ating sentence na nauna. Ganito dapat yan. Whenever Batman was away, kama. Robin drove the Batmobile. Ganyan yung paggamit ng ating subordinating conjunctions. Wala dapat yung kasunod na kama. Ang kama lang, kung mauuna man ang dependent clause, ay magkakaroon ng kama before ng independent clause. Kapag ganito din, Robin drove the Batmobile, tapos may kama dyan, whenever Batman was away. Pag ang nangyaring nasa gitna yung ating subordinating conjunction na sinundan ng dependent clause, yan dapat ay walang kama. Ganito dapat yan. Robin drove the Batmobile whenever Batman was away. So, itong ating kama dito ay mali. So, hindi dapat natin lagyan ng kama ang ating main clause pag nauna na may sumunod na sinundan ng dependent clause. Try natin to. Whenever Batman was away, Robin drove the Batmobile. Whenever Batman was away, Robin drove the Batmobile. Katulad nung kanina, inulit ko lang dito, mali ito ha. Mali yan. Ganito ang tama. Nandito ang ating kama sa after ng dependent clause, hindi after ng subordinating conjunction. Mali yun. Robin drove the Batmobile whenever Batman was away. Mali tong ating kama dito dahil ang ating subordinating conjunction na whenever ay nag-appear sa gitna. Kapag nag-appear ang ating subordinating conjunction sa gitna, yan ay wala ng kama katulad nito. Robin drove the Batmobile whenever Batman was away. Ganyan dapat. Okay? Try natin to. I started writing when I was 8. Ang ating subordinating conjunction na itong when indicating time. Ito ang ating matik na dependent clause. Kinabit natin yan gamit itong ating subordinating conjunction, kinabit natin sa ating independent clause para magkaroon ng sense. Tama yan. I started writing when I was 8 dahil walang kama. Ito naman, everyone asked me how I wrote such stories at that age. Pag ganito lang ang ating sentence kasi, how I wrote such stories at that age, wala yung sense, kaya ikinabit natin yan dito sa ating independent clause na everyone asked me. Tapos nagsilbi itong direct object nitong ating verb na ask. Yan ay tama since walang kama sa gitna. Ito naman, my father believes that I should be a writer. Ang ating independent clause dyan ay ito dahil nakakatayo siya sa kanyang sarili. Ang ating subordinating conjunction ay ginamit to connect this dependent clause na I should be a writer. Ginamitan natin ng subordinating conjunction na that. Ito naman, he inspires me always because he inspires me because he, pwede nating dagdagan ng kahit ano. Ito dito nagsisimula ang ating dependent clause. Yung ating subordinating conjunction ay may kasamang dependent clause na ginamit to connect dun sa itong ating independent clause. Ito naman, he works so hard that he can provide everything we need. Itong ating independent clause, ang ating subordinating conjunction na itong that ginamit para i-connect itong ating dependent clause na he can provide everything we need gamit itong ating subordinating conjunction. Ito naman, I trust him because he is trustworthy person. Nagpapakita ng cause and effect ginamit itong ating subordinating conjunction na because. Pinagkabit itong ating dependent clause sa ating independent clause. Ito naman, my life will be blessed if I fulfill his dreams. Nagpapakita ng condition. Ginamitan natin ng subordinating conjunction na if, itong ating dependent clause na ikinabit natin dito sa ating independent clause. Ito pa, he will always support me whether I succeed or not. Whether, itong ating subordinating conjunction. Itong ating independent clause, nagpapakita yan ng condition. So, bilang activity, pwede natin itong sagutan. Pwede nating sabihin kung nasan dyan ang ating subordinating conjunction na may katabing dependent clause. At pwede nating i-indicate kung yun ba ay nagpapakita ng cause and effect, o kaya ng time or place. Number 1 to 8. Okay? Pwede nating i-post itong ating video at kung masasagutan natin, kapag may sagot na tayo, kung gusto nating makita yung tamang sagot, may key to correction sa description box. Pwede nating i-visit. Okay? Thank you!